Hello everyone, this is Charles. Today I'm going to show you how to install this elejoy vehicle-to-home split-phase inverter. I just got this new device from elejoy and it is going to power your house during outage with your Tesla. My house is a typical single-family house. It has a main panel on the outside of the garage and then a sub-panel inside of the garage. So this is my main panel. As you can see, there are a couple breakers that goes to sub-panels, irrigation timer, air conditioner, Tesla EV charger, 240 volts. My main panel is actually a pretty rare one. It doesn't have a main disconnect. And in order to back up your house during outage, you want to disconnect your house from the grid. And then your backup power source, either it's a vehicle to home or a generator, can feed in the power back to the appliances. So I decided to modify my sub-panel inside of the garage. This is my sub-panel. As you can see, all of my appliances are here within the house. And this is actually after the modification. I added a 100 amp main breaker and also a 50 amp breaker to the generator outlet. This 100 amp main breaker are connected to all of the appliances right here. On the other side, it is connected to the main panel. So by turning this off, you can safely disconnect all of the appliances from the grid. And this interlock prevents you from having both of the 100 amp main breaker and the generator outlet to be on at the same time. So it's physically limits you from that. Only one device can be turned on at a time. And the 50 amp breaker is actually attached to the generator outlet that goes to the vehicle to home device. It goes down in this conduit all the way here to this box. This is a typical generator box that can be attached to the vehicle to home device through the cable we provided. This is the cable that came with the box. You just need to plug it in right here in this generator outlet box and then plug in the other side into the vehicle to home. And then you plug in this end to the car through this charger. So next time when you have a power outage at home, you can be rest assured to have a Tesla to power your entire house.